Hi Gorgies and Gents, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are a returning subby and OG Gorgie, welcome, welcome, welcome. I do hope that you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to see how I lay my Jericho wig down and how I style it, the products that I use and all of those details, please do stay tuned as I will be showing you how I do all of that. Okay. The first product that I'll be using to lay my hair is the Got to Be Glued styling gel. This is really great for laying your wigs if you want them to last longer. So I'm starting on by putting on a layer around the circumference of my head, and I'm trying to make sure that's thin enough, not too thick, because otherwise it'll take a long time for it to dry. And I'm also going to be focusing on the ear flaps because that's the hardest part to actually get to lay properly and for longer. And after I think I've gotten enough of the glue, I'm going to go in with my hair dryer to start the drying process to get the glue to be nice and tacky. I'm using the dryer in the cold setting, and I'm going to start blowing that dryer on the glue. When the glue starts turning a transparent color, I'm going to then stop, and I'm going to go back in with another layer of glue. My glue right now is nice and tacky, it's almost dry. So I'm going in with a second layer. This is going to be a thinner layer as well. This basically just ensures that the wig will stay down through styling and everything. And also you can, when you put on multiple layers, it also helps it to stay on for longer. So you can stay on for a couple of days, for a week, depending on how long you actually want to wear your wig. And then you just go back in with the hairdryer in the cold setting and you blow dry there. And when the glue starts turning a little bit transparent or it gets nice and tacky, that's when you know that you're ready to apply your wig. Today I'll be wearing my Jericho wig from Snazzy Glam. So I got her to customize the color. It didn't it obviously would come in a natural color, but I asked for the blonde highlights. This is a frontal and it's 22 inches and yeah, I got it from Snazzy Glam. The details for the hair will be in the description box, so do check it out. So you start also, when you're applying your wig, you then want to make sure that everything is fitting nicely so that the ear flaps are in the right place, the wig is positioned in the place where you want it to be, exactly where the glue is as well. So this is basically just, you know, fixing and making sure that it is the way that you want. As you can see, the frontal actually has this white cast type of thing over it, but don't worry about that because we will be sorting it out. Right now I'm more concerned about laying the wig in the right places, taking out the ear flaps and taking out my sideburns that I like so much. So yeah. Once you feel like everything is laying in the right place, you then go in with your hairdryer just to make sure that glue and the wig actually stay. And then I'm going to go in with my Got to Be Glued blasting free spray. Now you'll see that when I spray this, then the wig starts getting nice and transparent and starts looking like, you know, it's laid. So that's what I was talking about. When the wig actually looks like it's got a white cast, it helps to go in with the spray because the spray does something. I don't know what is in the formula, but it does something really good and your wig just looks like it's coming right out of your scalp, babes. That lace, nowhere to be found. So I'm taking out some baby hairs right now just to cover the lace a little bit and also make it look cute. After taking out the baby hairs, you want to go back in with the hairdryer in the cold setting and use a rat tail comb so that you don't touch anything and ruin the glue or move anything. This just helps to be very precise so that you can make sure that all the parts that you need laid are laid.
That's good.
When you're happy with everything and how you've laid your baby hairs, then you can go on and put on a head wrap. Don't mind the fact that mine is dirty. Don't drag me, please. So you can then go on and put on a head wrap. This will help to set and lay the hair properly, and this will also help to melt your lace. So give it enough time, relax, have some water, and then we'll come back later and check how it looks. And now for the reveal. I love it. I think everything is laid properly. It's looking good and it's feeling good. So I'm just gonna fix my sideburns because I like having this hair sticking out on the sides, and I'm just checking on the ear flaps whether everything is laid properly, and then we're gonna go straight into the styling process. To style my hair, I'm using the Yardley powder. This is the powder that I would normally use for contouring. So it is great when I want to make sure that the lace and my foundation or my skin tone is basically the same and you can't detect where the lace starts, sweetie. You just feel like, oh my gosh, is it her hair? It's coming right out of her scalp. It really is. For better control of the hair, I do use my ORS olive oil mousse. This helps me to define my curls. It helps me to remove any flyaways, and I find that it just helps me manage better. So this in combination with water that has conditioner is really great in order to define the curls and to also lay everything properly, make sure that there are no flyaways, and it just makes it look really good. So I'm going to be applying that, and then I'm also going to be using my water with conditioner, as I mentioned, just to define the curls and just to get the perfect hairstyle that I want. So the rest of this video is basically me figuring out how I'm styling this hair and what I'm gonna do. So you can continue watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please. We are on the road to 10K and I'm super excited. Giveaways will be coming soon, hair and other products as well, so be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys so much for your support. I truly do appreciate it. Love you. Mwah.